My name is Elliot Williams. I'm a retired teacher. I taught all my working life in the area.
And I'm Terence Fowler, and I'm a retired heating engineer.
After I retired from teaching, like most teachers, I was looking forward to retirement. But when it happened, it wasn't quite the great deal that I thought it was. And my wife was still working, and very soon I didn't feel retired. I felt redundant, and that's not a nice frame of mind to be in. And I got quite down, quite depressed. And there was a chance meeting that I had with an ex-colleague of mine who mentioned Gartholwg and going to an art class. And I thought, yeah, I'll do that. And that's how it started about 4 years ago. And then graduated from that to 2 art classes and never looked back. Really enjoyed it. The new friendship, the new challenge has made a great difference to how I feel about myself. And I met this young man in that situation as well.
I retired really with ill health. I had a pacemaker that fitted and a defibrillator. And instead of harping or worrying about the things that I couldn't do, I thought I'd try and do something less physical that I could do. And I've always done a bit of drawing, so this sort of fit the bill.
Yes, we're really glad to still be here because last year, remember, we had a big problem because there was a withdrawal of certain funding.
That's right.
And we were afraid that all the classes would fall through.
First one we was on with Sam. It was very good. That was mostly drawing. That was a funded course, yeah. Then we moved over then to Helen, which was a watercolour course. And we really enjoyed that. Yes. I mean, it was really good.
And then
but the funding gradually got withdrawn.
Gartholwg were very helpful. We sat down and spoke about maybe the possibility of hiring the room on its own, because the room is superb. We've got all the facilities that we need there. We've even got a data projector, we've got all the sinks, we've got a light box, everything that we need. That's important to have that for an art group. It's not like, say, a Welsh group. With an art group, you've got to have the facilities. And the facilities are superb down here. And last year, we were worried that we were going to lose this wonderful site. So we were determined, as I said, to set up perhaps our own club. And we spoke to the people in Gartholwg, and we worked out a method of setting up a community-based art group. And we were able to afford to hire the room by the hour.
The disadvantage of having a teacher is you don't do what inspires you, you do what inspires the teacher. When you work on our own in a group as we are, we do what we're inspired by, which helps, especially when you get a bit old and crotchety. You need inspiration to do anything.
So it's working
to move on, and it
very
works
well.
out really good.
Yeah. And we've got our own expertise, haven't we?
Yeah, the thing is, there's 9 of us. There was 7 in the group, now there's 9 of us, and I can honestly say that everybody is really quite improving, quite a rate of knots. What I think is that what we are doing at the moment, which is self-tutoring, works very well. But I don't think it's a good way to catch new members. You know, new members are really looking for tuition. Yeah, it's the funded group is what pulled people in, I think. And then once they've done a couple of years of funding, then they can move on to what we're doing now.
Yes. There was an interesting comment from our tutor I caught last week from Helen.
Yes.
Who said that although we had to go on our own, she was pleased because it showed that she had taught us to paint. Very important thing.
That's right.
And she felt proud of us. Going our own way.
We just don't enjoy the group, we enjoy the friendship as well, as we come to know everybody in the group, and we look forward to meeting up with everybody every week, and that's very important to us.